How to book driving test online Victoria, Australia. Full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can book driving test online on Victoria, Australia. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for www.vicroads.vic.gov.au. That's the official website for Victoria, Australia. So after coming to the dashboard or the official website, you just have to click on the left upper corner. As you can see, I want to, and there are multiple options like here, and you just have to click on the book an appointment for licensing and registration. And after clicking on the option from here, you can see book a license or registration appointment. So you just have to scroll down and see there are multiple options like convert your overseas license, convert your state license or learner permit, book a permit, learner permit test, book a probably license test, register a vehicle, and you just have to simply click on the book a learner permit test or provisionary license test, whatever you want or need. Let's just go with book a learner permit test. And after coming here, as you can see, there are step 1 of 5 like accept terms and condition. Please read the terms and condition. And after reading the terms and condition, you have to check for the eligibility. Like to take the learner permit test, you need to be at least 16 years old, not be disqualified from getting a driver license of learner permit, and bring to your appointment like completed learner permit application, your original evidence of identity, proof that you live in Victoria. And after that, you have to your glasses or contact lenses if you need them to pass our eyesight test, any medical reports if you have a medical condition, or take prescribed medications which could affect your ability to drive. And you have to check for do you have another license or permit, and do you have a medical condition. And then you need to also select I need to take learner permit test in person because uh, learner permit test, I have a vision impairment, I have hearing impairment, I have poor internet connection, and you can select any of them. And after that, you can see the payment is $49.40 here, Australian dollar here. They accept MasterCard and Visa card. After that, you have to click on continue. And after clicking on continue, there are several steps. You just have to follow the steps and provide your MasterCard or Visa card information and pay the fees. So that's how you book driving test online for Victoria, Australia. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.